How to buy ARC token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now, after that, just go and open this token in CoinMarketCap. And now, as you can see in the contract, copy the token of this from here. It's under the Solana network. Now, for this, we will use this Phantom wallet, as you can see. Now, after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste the token on this, as you can see. Now, after that, this is our token. Just click on it and here enter how much you want to buy. For example, 0.2. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive of that token. Now, from the provider, select one of these provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information from here. And after that, click on swap. And after that, you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues on this process, just go back to this page and switch the slip page from here, or custom the slip page here to be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy the ARC, the AI ring complex token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.